Standard 8, Subject English, Grammar, Topic Parts of Speech. Hello students, today we are going to learn parts of speech, which is a most important topic in English grammar. So let's begin with it. There are 8 types of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So first I'll start with noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. So let's begin with the first one, proper noun. Proper noun is a naming word of particular person, animal, place or thing, etc. So the examples would be: Delhi is the capital city of India. Krishna works hard. So you can see these examples and make use of them. So let's go for the next one, that is common noun. Common noun is naming word of common person, place, animal, thing, etc. So we have the examples: Carol is a beautiful girl. Mohan is a good boy. Mumbai is a big city. So we have got these examples. We need to study them, as girl, boy, city and country are common nouns. So we go to the next one, that is collective nouns. Collective noun is naming word of collection or group of persons, places, things, etc. A crowd has created all these problems. The flock of sheep is grazing in the field. A bunch of keys has been lost. So here the words are crowd, flock of sheep and bunch of keys. So these are the collective noun examples. Same way we have got the next one, material nouns. A material noun is the name of material existing in the nature. The ornament is made of gold. Cotton is good for skin. So here the material nouns are gold and cotton. Same way we have got the next one is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a name of a quality, action, state, thinking, feeling, etc. A noun that cannot be touched is an abstract noun. So the examples are goodness, kindness, honesty, laughter, hatred, behavior, etc. So now let's begin with the next topic, and that is called as pronoun. So let's begin with the pronoun. A word that is used for a noun is called pronoun. So the examples are: she knows the black magic. Second is, he has lost his money. You have done a silly mistake. So here the pronouns are she, and then you got he, his, you. So these are pronouns. Now we go to the next one, adjective. Adjective adds some meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Adjective always defines colors, numbers or quality describing words. So just let's with the start sentences. She knows the black magic of Bengal. He has red apples. I have 5 books. So in this case you can see the words like black, red, and 5 they are adjectives. Now we go to the next one, that is verb. Verb means a word that tells about the action. So she writes a letter to her friends. She talks loudly in the class. Baby is crying. So here the verbs are writes, talks and crying. So these are the parts of speech. I have just taught you 4. In the next part 2, I will teach you the next 4 examples and make the concept very clear, so that you can solve the sentences easily.